तेज, क्रीडा वर्धते बलम, क्रीडा वर्धते बुद्धि, क्रीडा जीवनस्य भूषणम. Meaning, sports enhance our strength, sharpen our intellect, build our confidence and become the ornament of life. खेल है शक्ति, खेल है भक्ति, खेल है संस्कार, भारत है तैयार, खेलेगा भारत, जीतेगा भारत. Good morning to our respected principal ma'am, honorable guests, teachers and my dear friends. I am Vinikesh Patel from class 8, presenting you a tableau on an inspiring theme, India's sporting spirit and champions. India's sporting spirit is not measured only by medals. It is reflected in every athlete who dares to dream, every coach who inspires, every family that sacrifices, and every citizen whose heart beats for the tricolor. The journey of every champion begins with discipline, determination, and the courage to never give up. Now, we present chess, the game that originated in ancient India as Chaturanga, one of our country's greatest gifts to the world. More than 1,500 years ago, Chaturanga was created to represent the 4 divisions of the ancient Indian army: infantry, cavalry, elephants, and chariots. Over time, it traveled across continents and evolved into the modern game of chess that is played and admired by millions. Chess is not a game of chance. It is a game of wisdom, patience, discipline, concentration, and strategy. Every move demands careful thought. Every decision requires foresight, and every challenge teaches us to remain calm under pressure. The chessboard reminds us that every piece has a role, and every role matters. Just like in life, success comes from planning, teamwork, and perseverance. Now comes the heartbeat of millions of Indians. Cricket. In India, cricket is not just a sport. It is an emotion that unites people across every state, religion, language, and generation. Whether it is played on a village ground, a school playground, or a world-class stadium, cricket brings millions together with one dream and one heartbeat. Every innings teaches patience. Every partnership reflects teamwork. Every catch demands alertness, and every victory is built on discipline, determination, and dedication. India has produced legendary cricketers whose achievements has inspired generations. The master blaster Sachin Tendulkar dedicated over 2 decades to the game and became a symbol of consistency, humility, and excellence. The calm and courageous leadership of Mahendra Singh Dhoni guided India to unforgettable victories, proving that true leaders remain composed even under the greatest pressure. The passion and determination of players like Virat Kohli still inspire millions of their athletes to dream big and work tirelessly. When Team India wins, the tricolor rises and every Indian heart celebrates as one. Now, we witness the speed, precision, and determination of badminton, a sport where every rally is a test of skill, agility, and mental health. With lightning-fast reflexes, powerful smashes, and unwavering focus, badminton teaches us the values of discipline, perseverance, confidence, and resilience. Every point demands courage, every rally requires patience, and every match inspires players to give their very, very best. India has emerged as a global force in badminton, producing champions who have made the nation proud. Sania Nehwal inspired a generation by becoming one of India's greatest badminton icons. PV Sindhu created history with her remarkable performances on the world stage, including Olympic medals, proving that dedication and hard work can turn dreams into reality. Now comes the world's most loved game, football, a sport that celebrates speed, teamwork, endurance, and determination. Football is more than kicking a ball into a goal. It teaches discipline, unity, quick decision-making, leadership, and the spirit of never giving up. Every pass requires trust. Every goal is the result of teamwork. And every match inspires players to give their best until the final whistle. India has a proud football legacy. The legendary Syed Abdul Rahim guided Indian football to remarkable success, while the iconic Sunil Chhetri has inspired millions with his dedication, leadership, and outstanding achievements. Their journey reminds us that passion, perseverance, and hard work can overcome every challenge. Now comes the game that has brought immense glory and pride to India. Hockey is the game of spirit and a symbol of excellence, teamwork, and determination. For decades, Indian hockey ruled the world with its unmatched skill, speed and sportsmanship. Every pass reflected trust, every goal celebrated teamwork, and every victory carried the dreams of an entire nation. The legendary Wizard of Hockey, Major Dhyanchand, amazed the world with his extraordinary stick work and unmatched talent. His brilliance made India a global hockey powerhouse and inspired generations of players to dream fearlessly. Today, our men's and women's hockey team continue to carry forward this glorious legacy with courage and determination, proving that the spirit of Indian hockey is stronger than ever. Now, we present archery, one of the oldest and most respected sports in India's rich sporting heritage, from the legendary archers of the Ramayana and Mahabharata to the modern champions of today. Archery has always symbolized focus, precision, patience, and self-discipline. Every arrow released is not just aimed at a target. It reflects confidence, determination, and years of dedicated practice. Today, Indian archers continue to make the nation proud on the international stage. Champions like Deepika Kumari have inspired countless young athletes with her remarkable achievements. Today, through initiatives like Halo India and Fit India, our nation is encouraging every child to play, stay healthy, and dream big. Traditional games remind us of our roots, while modern sports inspire us to reach new heights. Together, they shape a generation that is strong in body, sharp in mind, and united in spirit. Let us preserve our traditional games, encourage sportsmanship, and work together to build a healthier, fitter, and stronger India. Let us say with one voice, परंपरा हमारी पहचान, खेल हमारी शान, भारत हमारी जान. जय हिंद, जय भारत.